Are you or your loved ones struggling to get enough daily nutrition? These simple smoothies can boost energy, strengthen immunity, and support healthy aging, all in one delicious cup. And the best part? Anyone can make them in just a few minutes. We're talking about delicious and easy-to-make smoothies perfect for our beloved seniors. As we get older, our nutritional needs change. Sometimes our appetite isn't what it used to be, or chewing can become a challenge. That's where smoothies come in. They're a fantastic way to pack a ton of nutrients into one easy-to-consume, delicious drink. So grab your blenders and let us get started on 3 amazing recipes that are not only good for you, but taste incredible too. First up, we have the Green Powerhouse Smoothie. Now, don't let the color scare you away. This one is designed for bone health and energy. We'll start with a handful of fresh spinach. Spinach is loaded with vitamin K, which is crucial for strong bones. Next, we'll add half an avocado. This gives the smoothie a wonderfully creamy texture and provides healthy fats that are great for brain health. For our fruit component, let's toss in half a banana for potassium and natural sweetness, and a cup of pineapple chunks for a tangy kick and some vitamin C to get that perfect liquid consistency. We'll pour in about a cup of unsweetened almond milk, which is often fortified with calcium and vitamin D. A scoop of unflavored protein powder is a great optional add-in for muscle maintenance. Blend it all until it's super smooth, and there you have it. A vibrant green smoothie that's creamy, satisfying, and bursting with nutrients. Moving on to our second recipe, the Berry Antioxidant Blast. This one is all about fighting inflammation and supporting a healthy immune system. We're going to use 1 cup of a mixed berry blend. Think blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries. You can use fresh or frozen. Frozen berries actually make the smoothie thicker and colder, which is really refreshing. Berries are antioxidant superstars. To this, we'll add a half cup of plain Greek yogurt. This is our protein source, and it also contains probiotics for good gut health, which is incredibly important for nutrient absorption. For a little extra fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, we'll sprinkle in a tablespoon of chia seeds. Just let them sit in the liquid for a minute to soften up. Our liquid for this one will be about 3/4 of a cup of coconut water for hydration and electrolytes, but regular water works just fine too. Blend everything together until it's smooth and has a beautiful purple hue. This smoothie is a sweet treat that's working hard for your body. Last but certainly not least, let's whip up the Sunshine Spice Smoothie. This recipe is wonderful for digestion and has a warm, comforting flavor. The star ingredient is half a cup of pumpkin puree, which is packed with fiber and vitamin A for vision health. Next, we'll add another half of a banana for that creamy texture and potassium. Now for the spice, a pinch of cinnamon and a tiny dash of ginger. Cinnamon can help with blood sugar regulation, and ginger is famous for its anti-nausea and digestive benefits. To boost the protein, we'll add a 1/4 cup of old-fashioned rolled oats. They also add soluble fiber, which is great for heart health. For our liquid, a cup of regular milk or a fortified plant-based milk will work perfectly. Blend it until it's completely smooth and creamy. It tastes like a healthy pumpkin pie in a glass. So there you have it, 3 simple, delicious, and nutrient-dense smoothie recipes perfect for seniors or anyone looking to boost their nutritional intake. The best part about smoothies is how customizable they are. Feel free to swap ingredients based on what you have or what your dietary needs are. The key is to balance fruits, vegetables, a protein source, and a healthy liquid. It's a fun and easy way to take care of your health. I hope you give these recipes a try. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite, or if you have a special smoothie recipe you'd like to share. If you find videos like this helpful, consider subscribing to our channel. It's a simple way to stay informed, stay healthy, and stay connected. We share senior-friendly nutrition tips, gentle exercises, and practical guidance every week, all made with you and your loved ones in mind.